Hello everyone, I am underneath the car and I have found the source of my exhaust leak. I don't know if there's a clamp that's supposed to go on there or if that's just rusted through. I bet there's a clamp for it. I'll have to see if I can find one. Alright, I went and found an old hose clamp in the toolbox. We'll see if that helps. I'm going to go ahead and order a new flexible section here with 2 new clamps. It has rusted out under there and there's nothing that I can do without anything really to fix it. I need a new flex pipe, a new band here and a new band here, and that'll fix the issue. All right, let's see if that helped. Oh man, that's a lot quieter. Huh. All right, that seems to have quietened the car down quite a bit. Anyway, I am going to put my stuff away and go do something else. Anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please do subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, I will see you later.